Welcome back to Oyoindoki's kitchen. Today's recipe, I'll be making some fresh loaves. You heard me right. There is nothing as good as waking the family up on 25th of December, the Christmas day, with the smell of a fresh loaf. So including your mother-in-law, you know what I'm saying? So guys, I'll be taking you guys to the ingredients, and I do thank you for watching my video. And for my new subscribers, thank you guys for clicking on the red subscribe button to subscribe, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So guys, these are the few ingredients we'll be using today for our delicious sandwich bread. I have the flour, the butter, little sugar, salt, milk and yeast. And I'll be leaving the list and measurement in the description box. Don't forget to look it up, and I do thank you for watching. Alright guys, we are going to start by sifting our flour. So I have here 5 cups of flour, and like I said, I'll be leaving the measurement in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, okay? This to help prevent any crumbs. That's why it's usually advised that you sift your flour. So guys, we are done with the flour. The next thing will be our sugar mix. Alright, the next ingredients is our salt, the yeast inside as well. Remember, the measurement is in the description box. So I'm going to mix everything completely until well combined. So guys, you can see we are done with the mixing of the flour, yeast, sugar and salt. So what you need to do is to make a hole in the middle, and you're going to add the butter. This is our melted butter now. So the next thing is to add our milk. Make sure your milk is warm, okay? And we have it at 2.5 cups of milk. So we are going to mix everything together until well combined. Alright guys, so our mixture is ready. You can see our dough is completely mixed. We're going to set it aside for 5 minutes. Make sure you cover and set aside for 5 minutes. Guys, 5 minutes gone. The reason why we set it aside for 5 minutes is to avoid the gluten from developing so much from the flour and the mix. So now you can see everything is looking good. You have to mix again. Guys, there is nothing as good as the smell of a fresh loaf in the morning. So this is another thing you can add to your Christmas recipe, especially if you're traveling to the village or going home to spend time with family. Wake them up on the 25th of December with some nice smell and aroma, and I tell you, they are going to love you. So I'm going to now cover again, and we're going to allow it to rest for 50 minutes to 1 hour. It's all joy, guys. So guys, our dough is almost ready. While we wait for our dough, we need to grease our pan, and I'm using butter. It's better you use butter than vegetable oil. So I'm going to grease the second pan because we are making 2 loaves. The ingredients we use is going to make 2 loaves of sandwich bread for you. So if you want more loaves, that means you're going to double the measurement we have. Alright, so now we've greased the pan so nicely. The next thing we are going to do is to dust our pan with some flour. So make sure you dust. I guess you can see me here, yeah. Make sure you dust the pan nicely to make sure everything is nicely coated, and I'll be doing the same to the second pan. You can see. Alright, so guys, you can see our dough has doubled in size. Oh my goodness, see, yeah, it really doubled in size after 1 hour. So guys, we're going to flour your workspace, and we're going to get our dough into the workspace. It's already smelling good, right? We haven't put it in the oven. Alright guys, so we are going to roll our dough. Yeah, make sure you flour nicely. bread. So basically this is it. It's very easy to make and you don't need to buy a lot of things for this one. Simple bread that your family will enjoy. So guys, you make sure you continue to bring it together. This is a no knead bread kind of, but you have to make sure everything is completely uniform before we bake. So you can see our dough is ready. So the next thing will be to divide the dough into 2 equal parts. I hope I got the sizes right, guys. I think I did. So now the next thing is to make sure you mold the dough into a loaf shape. Just make sure you get it into a loaf shape. And we're going to lift our dough into the pan. So guys, you see what I'm trying to do is to make sure everything is all smoothing. At least they will have, you know, cover the rest of the pan. So guys, for the second loaf, remember to dust your workspace with some flour, and you can shape it into a loaf size. Don't mind this my glove. They said it's one size fits all, but it doesn't fit me. See, I struggle with it all the time. All right guys, we're going to get it into the pan, and then we smoothen it out for the rest of it in the pan to make sure that the edges, the dough gets to both the edges as well. So you just have to smoothen it down. So guys, you can see our dough is ready. We are going to allow it to rest for another 15 minutes before we bake, and we are going to cover for 15 minutes. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, 15 minutes later, our dough is ready. Now we are going to get egg wash. So just 1 egg. So we are going to coat our dough with some egg wash, and what this does is that it's going to give it some golden color once it's baked. So guys, our dough is ready for the oven, and we'll be baking for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So guys, our bread is ready from the oven. So the next thing is for us to use butter, you know, and cream it on top while it's still hot. Yeah, you cream with enough butter for some deliciousness, guys. Look at how it's looking. Very well done. I'm gonna cut it through once it cools down. I do thank you guys for watching my video today. Fresh loaves. Add this to your Christmas menu and you will not regret it. It's still very hot though, guys, but I'm still going to cut. Ooh. Ew. Just look at it. So it's still very, very hot, guys. It's steaming hot. Super delicious sandwich bread. I do thank you guys for watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And guys, the bread, This is super delicious, so fresh. Guys, it's very hot. I should allow it to cool down, but man. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys.